Today we're going to talk about how to use your credit card the right way. If you're just starting out with personal finances, you've probably heard things like, credit cards are dangerous. They just get you into debt. They offer amazing benefits. But, what's the truth? In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know to use your card smartly and avoid the most common mistakes people make. Let's start from the very beginning. A credit card is not free money. It's a loan from the bank that lets you buy now and pay later. When you get approved for a credit card, it's super important that you understand these 5 key concepts. 1. Statement closing date. Think of your credit card as a notebook where your spending gets recorded. The closing date is when the bank closes that notebook and adds up everything you've spent in that billing cycle. If your closing date is the 10th of each month, all purchases made from the 11th of the previous month to the 10th of this month will appear on your current bill. Anything you buy after the 10th will go on next month's bill. This helps you plan when to make a purchase if you want more time to pay it off. 2. Payment due date. This is the last day you can pay your bill without being charged interest. It's usually 15 to 20 days after the closing date. So, if your closing date is the 10th, your due date might be the 28th. That gives you a few weeks to gather the money and pay without extra fees. If you pay on time, great. But if you're late, interest charges start adding up. 3. Interest rate, APR. If you're late or don't pay the full balance, the bank will charge interest on the amount you still owe. In the US, this rate can be anywhere from 18% to 30% per year, depending on your credit score. 4. Minimum payment. This is the smallest amount you can pay to avoid hurting your credit. But everything you don't pay will continue to earn interest. 5. Full payment. This is the ideal approach. If you pay the full balance before the due date, you don't pay any interest. People who do this are called full payers. Smart tips for using your card. Now let's get into the practical part. How to get the most out of your card without falling into debt. 1. Treat it like it's your own money. Don't think of it as extra income. You're just borrowing money that you'll have to pay back soon. If your monthly budget is $2,000 and you've already spent $1,800 on the card, don't go beyond that limit. 2. Use it for everyday expenses, but stay in control. Using your credit card to pay for gas, groceries, or streaming services helps you build credit history. Many cards offer rewards like cashback, points, or miles for these purchases. If you use your Chase Freedom card to spend $500 a month and earn 1.5% cashback, that's $7.50 you can apply to your balance. 3. Use timing to your advantage. Here's a golden tip. Let's say your statement closes on the 5th and your payment is due on the 25th. If you make a purchase on June 6th, you won't have to pay for that until July 25th. That's nearly 50 days with no interest. This gives you more time to organize your finances without paying extra. 4. Never pay only the minimum. If you owe $1,000 and only pay the $35 minimum each month, it could take years to pay off the debt, and you might end up paying over $1,500 with interest. Paying the full amount keeps your credit in good shape and saves you money. 5. Use reminders or automatic payments. We all have busy lives. Forgetting to pay doesn't mean you're irresponsible, it happens. Use your phone calendar or your bank app to set reminders a few days before the due date. Some banks even let you automate your full payment from your checking account. 6. Know your card's benefits. Each card comes with different perks. Some offer access to airport lounges, cashback at gas stations or grocery stores, discounts on services like Uber, Spotify, or Amazon, travel insurance or purchase protection. Just don't overspend just to earn points. Use your card smartly, not impulsively. And that's your practical guide to using your credit card like a pro. Here are the key takeaways. It's not extra money, it's a loan. Use it for essentials and always pay the full balance. Take advantage of the perks, but don't overspend. Most importantly, build a good credit history, because that can open doors for you in the future, like getting loans, renting an apartment, or even landing a better job. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our content. Make your money work for you.